Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Mastic video. Best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video, YouTube keyword research and SEO related tools and TubeBuddy and review tips and tricks. I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another friend circle, and you will get motivation this video coming inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. This is the video and YouTube keyword research and SEO related tools. Okay, TubeBuddy is a very beautiful apps and video and SEO reads and best friend. This tool was then designed to discover tags that are related in your search item. In the below example, while exploring some driven Safari and TubeBuddy show user there is the many other popular TubeBuddy. This is the TubeBuddy, any kinds of any YouTube channel. This is the TubeBuddy. This is the TubeBuddy. This is the blog and miss and trolls TubeBuddy. Okay, this is the TubeBuddy. Then any video and the showing the TubeBuddy in working day by day and SEO related. This is the video and kinds of video. This is the any basically and title and description, and if description is amazing, so it will video is increased by the YouTube channel. This is the text, the mainly dependable text. Any one by one and YouTube channel and any tag related in your content, your title related your tag in showing the and the title in show the plus button click and automatically your YouTube channel. This is the added the your tag option. Okay, this is the tag option. Then any another tag show. This is the another tag show and another tag show. Okay, this is the another tag show. This is the your video. The TubeBuddy is the dashboard, also show the overall score and search item, how competitive that item, the total number of chain times that in chain was and search and more. And since the light and white and chrome extension. Okay, the TubeBuddy is just an easy to use. It use the install to the best part of the you can all the things of the TubeBuddy, mainly YouTube channel and Chrome browser in extension added. The you automatically your video upload, then automatically the usable. This is the usable TubeBuddy. This is the extension my YouTube channel. This is the extension. Okay, extension the TubeBuddy. This is extension the TubeBuddy. Okay, this is the TubeBuddy added the extension you TubeBuddy. Then any kinds of this is extension TubeBuddy. This is the sign up the your YouTube channel and Gmail. This is the login. Then automatically your tag and description is related in search and any referable YouTube. Okay, mainly YouTube refer and any kinds of YouTube channel. This is the condition they allow. This is the and free usable and 500 keywords and day by day 24 hours and 24 hours and any kinds of video and TubeBuddy homebody mastic video and profile in community forums and support tips. Okay, this is the kind of any information. This is the support team. Okay, this is the video and TubeBuddy the keyword research. Okay, this is the main. Okay, so no more today. Those are still subscribed to my channel, very quickly subscribe and play bell icon button next to it another video this kinds of new video. But inshallah, Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.